Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will be working on dashboard design process in Power BI. In today's session, we will be looking at second half of part 1, that is dashboard design process of return and product performance analysis. In part 1 first half, we have understood what is the case study and we have built first analysis page, that is sales and customer analysis page. Now in part 1 second half, we will be building the second analysis page, that is return and product performance analysis. This page helps answer questions like which product brands perform best in sales and profit, what brands are underperforming, where are returns the highest, which regions contribute most to the profit. In short, it helps us understand what's working, what's not working, and where we are losing value. These insights are key to our case study's business objective to improve profitability and customer satisfaction. Let's get started. Since we have perfectly designed our first analysis page, we can duplicate the first analysis page and use it to build the second analysis page. Right click on first analysis page, click on duplicate. We already created a blank page with name return and product performance analysis. So double click on that, copy it, double click over here, paste it, and we can remove this blank page. And we can modify this existing page to create our second analysis page. The name of our second analysis page is return and product performance analysis. So let's name it accordingly. Click outside. Over here also we can use slicers for dynamic filtering. We can make use of date slicer, occupation and sales district as it is. But instead of product brand slicer, we can use customer city slicer. So click on product brand slicer, search for customer city. Over here we have the column. First let's remove product brand from the field, drag and drop customer city column. Let's change the title of the slicer. Go to format your visual, general, title. The name of this column is customer city. We can use the same set of KPIs as they are same across the dataset. Let's start building the charts. The first chart we will be creating is total quantity sold by top 5 product brands. Click on the first chart. We will use clustered bar chart. Click on it. Let's remove date from y-axis and search for product brand. Here is the column, drag onto y-axis. Instead of total revenue, we will take total quantity sold. Remove this. Here is the measure, drag and drop onto x-axis. But instead of looking at the total quantity sold by all the product brands, we will only look at the top 5 product brands. So click on the chart, click on product brand, change the filter type from basic to top N. We will look at top 5. Drag and drop total quantity sold by value. Click on apply filter. Let's fix the title accordingly. Go to format your visual, general, title. So this chart is giving us information about total quantity sold by top 5 product brands. So this chart helps us identify best selling product brands. Now let's move on to the second chart. Second chart is similar to the first chart, but instead of looking at the total quantity sold by top 5 product brands, we will look at total quantity sold by bottom 5 product brands. Let's copy the first visual, paste it. Let's remove this, align it properly. Over here, we can just change the filter type from top N to bottom N. So go to filter pane, click on the drop down. Instead of show items top, we can change it to bottom. Click on apply filter. Let's fix the title accordingly. Go to format your visual, general, title. So this chart is giving us information about total quantity sold by bottom 5 product brand. And this chart highlights underperformers, guiding decisions on product phase out or promotions. Now let's move on to the third chart. In third chart, we will be showing total profit by top 5 product brands. We can use pie chart for this. So go to build your visual, change it to pie chart. In the legend, let's take product brand. Remove customer country, search for product brand, put it over here. In the values, let's take total profit. Here is the measure, drag and drop onto values. And here, instead of looking at total profit by all the product brands, let's look at profit by top 5 product brands. Click on the drop down, choose filter type to top N, top 5, drag and drop total profit onto by value, click on apply filter. Let's change the title accordingly. We can also modify pie chart in this way. We can fix text size, text color of legend, slices color, labels text, labels data size, etc. Let's click on legend. Let's click on text. Let's change the color from gray to black. Let's reduce the size from 13 to 10. Also, let's change the detail labels color to black. So click on it. Change the color to black. Let's also reduce the size from 11.7 to 10. We can also fix the number of decimal value places we want to look at. Let's say instead of order, let's put 0. We will also put percentage decimal places to 0. So, this chart gives us information about total profit by top 5 product brands. That reveals the most profitable brands. Over here, profit spelling is incorrect. Let's fix it. Over here, we can also change x-axis, y-axis values color. So click on the chart, go to format your visual, y-axis, change the values color from gray to black. Same with x-axis. And we can use format painter to modify the first chart. It's done. Let's move on to the next chart. Now let's try to see total profit by top 5 sales region. We will use donut chart for this. So click on the chart, click on donut chart. We will take sales region in legend. So remove yearly income, type sales region. Drag and drop the column. Instead of total customers, we will take total profit as values. So remove it. Drag and drop onto values. Over here also, we will only look at total profit by top 5 sales regions. So let's go to filter pane. Click on sales region. Change the type from basic filtering to top N. Top 5. Drag and drop total profit. Click on apply filter. Let's fix the title. We will also name the legend properly. So click on legend. Click on title. Let's use format painter from third chart to apply the changes on the fourth chart. Click on third chart. Format painter. Fourth chart. Let me also fix the legend title in third chart. Now let's move on to the next chart. Now we will look at total return quantity by top 5 product brands. We will use a tree map for it. So click on tree map. Let's take product brand on category. So remove this. Search for the column. Drag and drop on category. Instead of total quantity sold, we will take total return quantity. So remove this. Drag and drop onto values. And here also we will again look at total return quantity by top 5 product brands. So let's go to filter pane. Click on drop down. Top N, top 5, drag and drop onto by value, click on apply filter. Let's fix the title. So this chart gives us information about total return quantity by top 5 product brands. That helps us note down points to products with return issues, possibly quality or satisfaction concerns. And also, the donut chart gives us information about total profit by top 5 sales region. That helps us identify regions contributing the most to profits. Now let's move on to the last chart. Over here, we'll try to look at total return quantity by store state. We will use map chart for it. So click on the visual, go to build your visual, change it to map chart. In location, we can use store state as it is. In bubble size, we have to use total return quantity instead of total revenue. So remove this. Drag and drop total return quantity onto bubble size. Let's fix the title. We can also edit the size of the bubble, the color of the bubble, etc. So let's go to visual, click on bubbles, click on colors. Let's change it to black. And we can increase the size as well. Over here, I want to mention a point. Our goal is not just to build the dashboard. The key idea is to make the insights obvious, clean, and actionable. From part 1, we understood our business problem and dashboard goals. We used our ready data model and calculated KPIs. We created 2 impactful analysis pages: sales and customer analysis, return and product performance analysis. We built insightful charts and applied filters. We also used customized visuals to make our report clean and meaningful. Let's click Ctrl S to save our changes. Coming up in part 2, we will focus on branding a dashboard with themes, leveraging Power BI's AI features for smarter insights. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.